rip the theme song! Cue the music! Let's go! Alrighty, we got the theme song on deck. It has been played, made for us by our friend Patrick McCready of the bedroom pop band Jinnouchi Power. You're going to want to check them out. That's going to be in the video description here on YouTube. And yeah, thanks for joining us. Thanks for everyone sticking around the stream. So we got a little bonus content at the end here. This is probably the miniest of the mini sets that we could have rolled, but we're still going to build it and check it out. This was donated by my brother recently. He was moving some more stuff out of the house, found a box with a few small Lego sets in it, and yeah, just offered them to me. So yeah, let's see. We're gonna pop over to Brickset here. Brickset says that this little baby is worth $22 used, which means I'm gonna try to sell this for sure after we build it here. $60 on Bricklink. Is that? Yeah, sealed. $60 sealed. Oh no, I did not. Oh, whoa, caps lock. Yeah, here we go. Boom. Updated. Now everyone knows we're on the Star Wars train here. Yeah. Yeah, this is only being sold new on Bricklink right now. But yeah, it looks like it's sold for $41 used at one point. So that is pretty wild. Pretty wild. Yeah, sold for $24 used in August of this year. So yeah, quite a few sales here. Nothing used listed right now. So I've never sold anything on Bricklink, but it is an option. But before we sell it, we're going to build it because we've got the instructions, we've got the parts, we've got the gumption. So let's check it out here. This is the Microfighters action. Let's put this stuff on a tray so we don't go losing any more pieces here. All right. So we've got our Clone Trooper minifigure here. Oh, he's tough. He's tough and grizzled. And he's supposed to have a blaster. I don't see the blaster. I think we may have lost his gun here. That's going to hurt the resale value. But hey, we've got the minifigure. That's certainly better than not having the minifigure. So let's see here. Let's see. Pop these little Technic pins in here. Every other one. Doop, 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 doop. Like so. And then got some double-sided pins right here. Connect us up our second Technic hole bar here. And we'll go through and add these guys back in. Very cool. Get a little vent on here. Got our, ooh, I'm gonna try not to drop it so much. Get this big block right here. A couple of plates. Okay, okay. This beautiful red clone clone army red there. There's a couple of new sets coming out soon that are using this color pretty heavily, which is cool. The new gunship looks pretty sweet, albeit maybe a little overpriced. Might be the sort of thing where we end up holding off for as long as possible to try to get as significant discount on it, but it looks pretty sweet, and it's not just gray like how a lot of the Star Wars sets are, so that is definitely a point in its favor. We like it when things are a little colorful. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Bringing some studs up on the side. That is going to be nice. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, I was excited. Yeah, I'm currently working on taking apart and reorganizing another older set too. My goodness. Oh, it's an ad. That's why. And for this one, and then the other set, let me try to find, I'm going to try to find the other one real quick too. Imperial Landing Craft. Stop, stop, stop. Shut up. 75221. Yes, this Imperial landing craft is going to be the one we try to do soon. Hopefully. Just got to do some sifting to find it up. Oh, I almost missed a step here. Oh, that's awesome. Got a nice bulk lot. Yeah, we'll have to tune in for that. I love looking at old collections and the organization streams and stuff. Definitely a good pastime. It's nice to live vicariously through other people's collections and finds and stuff. And there's usually at least one really cool thing in every old collection that people buy. So these studs are a little bit recessed here. We got 1, 2, 3 different layers here. Oh, and I almost missed a piss here. There we go. Oh man, that's awesome. Old space, old castle. Oh, that's sick. Got it an estate sale. Yeah, that's a good way to find stuff like that. You can get really good deals. You can get really good deals when you hit up the estate sales and like garage sales and stuff. Stuff like that is really nice. Let's see here. Okay. There we go. Looking nice. Oh yeah, for sure. That's cool. I can't type. Yeah, no pressure. No pressure. That is we don't like to lean on people to do stuff. That's what jerks do. Jerks like to lean on people. Yeah, keep it in mind. But no, seriously, no worries, no pressure. Boom, boom. Alrighty. Making progress here. Get our little mini windshield on here. Okay. Very good. Very good. So this is looking like a little tank here. Pretty sweet. Got this guy. Little antenna action. And we got the binoculars here become the blasters on the front of this bad boy. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. Cool. Yeah, for sure. Filling in the missing parts with Bricklink. Yeah, a lot of work. So, yeah, KP said she's got this bulk lot, and they're gonna go through and organize out parts from it, basically, and then they will be able to use Bricklink to find the missing pieces and replace them, and then thus we'll be able to complete these vintage like space and castle builds, which will be really awesome. That is going to be sick. But it definitely will be a lot of work. I mean, organizing all the parts and everything can be very time consuming. So, but it'll be well worth it. It will be well worth it. All right, we got some wheels on this bad boy. And no extra pieces here. This is here we go. Oops. Pew. Yeah, so you can shoot your missiles out of here. Pew. Pretty nice. Let me get this guy in here. Haha. The turbo tank. Let's see I've never seen. I don't even know if I know what this ship looks like normally. Let me see here. Clone turbo tank. Oh, yeah. Let's see here. Show me this pic. Second monitor on. Bam. The turbo tank. Oh yeah, hey, thanks for dropping by, Airwolf. Appreciate it. We're wrapping up here soon, so you won't miss much. And we'll see you next time. But yeah, here's our turbo tank. You can see the resemblance. You can see the resemblance, certainly. Let's see here. Oops. Yeah, there we go. Turbo tank. Alrighty. So that is the turbo tank. Yeah, I think. Yeah, we'll get ready to wrap up here. Let's see if we want to pop over and raid anyone out here. Let's see. Stream manager. Boo, 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 boo. Get ready to launch. And no one I follow is live right now. Yeah, I think we'll just wrap up here. Gonna get ready to wrap up here. We do appreciate everyone dropping by the stream today. Really nice to get to catch up with everyone. Yeah. Yeah, we're open to suggestions. Cooperman 85, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Cooperman. Hit this with a follow. And then we should be able to rate it out here. Yeah. Bust this open. All right. So we're going to be ready to raid out here. We're going to get our theme song going as we wrap up the music or the music video. wrap up the YouTube video here. Boom! Yeah. Bow, bow. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone.